Hi, John Rocker here, and I'm excited to tell you about what's new at Sydney City Toyota this festive season. Our Christmas list is getting longer and longer, and with a host of new models, there's never been a better time to visit our two locations at Glebe and Waterloo. The all-new and highly anticipated Prado has finally arrived and is at the very top of the Christmas list, so be sure to come in for a test drive. Featuring a combination of advanced technology, innovative safety features and superior driving performance, the all-new Prado redefines versatility and reliability on all terrain. My expert team will guide you through the multiple features that make this all-new Prado the most awaited model for 2024-25. With a refreshed design and the latest technology, this new Camry exceeds all expectations. It's smoother, it's sportier, and it's more fuel efficient than ever before. Boasting a range of tech features, the new Camry includes a 360-degree camera as standard. My team and I will make it easy for you to decide which model grade works best for you. And for all the dark green Toyota enthusiasts, we have the VZ 4X zero emissions 100% fun. And let's not forget our diamond-inspired Toyota CHR. Designed with precision like a cut diamond, it's set to shine on your Christmas wish list. This is the perfect choice for city dwellers and weekend adventurers alike. Come in and take this efficient hybrid for a spin. With a large display of new and pre-owned Toyota models, great deals and finance options, genuine parts and accessories, top-notch vehicle service and expert after-sales care, we're committed to tick off everything on your Christmas list. So from our family to yours, we wish you Happy Holidays!